Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change language on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin! First, we want to head into settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down and simply head into general management. Then, right at the top, we should see languages. As you can see, currently we have two languages on the list, English and Polish. We can click Add Language to add a new language, for example, some Spanish or some other language, to be honest. So we can go with whatever we want, and then it should appear right here. And if you want to change the language, you can simply change the order. So now we can hit Apply, and now everything is Polish. And you will notice that that's a very cool feature here, because if there's some feature that is not translated to Polish, it will automatically be in the English since it's the second on the list. That's pretty cool. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.